Hi, my name is Tomasz Kasztelan, and I'm working for Eckert Company. We are one of the biggest European producers of CNC cutting machines, with a sales and distribution all over the world. Have you ever wondered how to increase your company efficiency in terms of production, process, ergonomic? I think we have solutions for you. So please feel invited for our open house event, which will take place on 28th of February and the 1st of March in Eckert Technology Centre in Legnica. During this event, we will show you one and only Dual Flex 3D universal bevel cutting system, which allows you to cut with plasma or with oxygen. We will also cut pipes thanks to the beveling system. The cutting will include also welding preparation for the welders, which makes their life much easier. We will also surprise you with worldwide patented solution combo machine, allowing to cut with waterjet and with plasma around one part. That makes this machine the world's fastest waterjet. And last but not least, you will have opportunity to have a direct comparison during our live cutting show between two world-leading producers of plasma cutting systems. Kjellberg Company from Germany with Q series and Hypertherm USA with XPR. So remember, 28th of February and the 1st of March, Eckert Technology Centre in Legnica. See you soon!